The Sumerain oil-rubbed bronze pot filler brings a sophisticated and functional touch to any kitchen workspace. This wall-mount fixture features a stunning oil-rubbed bronze finish that complements a wide variety of traditional and rustic interior design themes. The high-quality construction ensures long-lasting durability while maintaining a timeless aesthetic appeal for your home. Engineered for maximum convenience and flexibility, this model includes dual swing joints that allow the spout to move freely across the stovetop. With an impressive 24-inch extension reach, the Sumerain oil-rubbed bronze pot filler provides easy access to water exactly where you need it. The smooth articulation allows you to fold the faucet neatly against the wall when not in use. To keep your counters clear, installing the Sumerain oil-rubbed bronze pot filler is a practical upgrade for those who enjoy home cooking and need a reliable water source directly at the stove. This versatile design helps eliminate the struggle of carrying heavy pots filled with water across the kitchen floor. It stands as a perfect marriage of industrial strength and elegant styling for the modern culinary enthusiast. Pros: adds convenience to stove, dual swing joints, includes 24-inch extension, lead-free compliant, certified safe drinking water, easy wall mount installation, dual handle operation, limited lifetime warranty, durable brass body, reliable ceramic disc valve, traditional oil rubbed bronze. Cons: no featured offers available. Only 61 total ratings, 4.2 out of 5 stars. Features: wall mount installation, oil-rubbed bronze finish, dual swing joints, 24-inch extension. Sumerain brand, bronze material. The Sumerain oil-rubbed bronze pot filler brings a sophisticated and functional touch to any kitchen workspace. This wall-mount fixture features a stunning oil-rubbed bronze finish that complements a wide variety of traditional and rustic interior design themes. The high-quality construction ensures long-lasting durability while maintaining a timeless aesthetic appeal for your home. The Sumerain wall-mount bronze pot filler provides significant convenience to any stove area. Through its durable brass construction, dual swing joints, and 24-inch extension that simplifies water access, while the unit features reliable ceramic disc valves, lead-free certification, and a limited lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. It currently holds a modest 4.2 out of 5 star rating based on only 61 reviews. And interested buyers should be aware that there are no featured offers currently available for the product.